Hi guys, this is Amedeo and today I'm finally gonna start with my classic Alfa Romeo project. So what you see here is an Alfa Romeo Duero, a 1967 car without the engine, since it's right there. And we're planning to repaint the whole engine bay part in the original color, which is Alfa Red. And our next project will be to paint the whole car in the same color. So first thing to do is to take off all these accessories here in order to have a flat surface to work on. So guys, next step is to use the paint remover. That's the name of it. I use this one here, aircraft paint remover, right here. So guys, as you can see here, we went on by quite a lot because my father has been here while I have been away, and he managed to bring it to bare metal and to prime it already. But as you can see, the results are quite cool since he brought the car to bare metal, so you don't have any imperfections here, as you can see. And this is just a primer. So the next thing we have to do is to prep everything, cover all the parts possible, and finally start to paint it with a paint gun. And we also have the original color, which is the Alfa Romeo Red. So unfortunately my father managed to paint the whole engine bay before I was able to come back and to actually film it, so we have no video. So what is going to happen now is that we're gonna directly jump to the engine build in 3, 2, 1. Back in the garage here, we finally managed to get the engine back in, and we tweaked the carburetors so it actually idles well. The engine works, and right here now you will have a video of the engine turning.
Hey! Evviva!
So guys, this was only the first part of our project. We still have to work on suspension, on color, and on interior. So if you like what I just did here, please leave a comment, please subscribe. Let me know if you have any other question about the restoration. I was not able to film everything, I'm very sorry for it. And hope you really enjoyed it. And see you at the next video.